Townsel here. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, share the video, leave a comment if appropriate. Let's see what week 5 brought for these fingernails. Is this NailTek Level 4 really helping my nails? I think so. Watch the video and see what you think. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, share this video if appropriate. Starting week 5 of NailTek Level 4 nail treatment. Here's the left hand, beginning of the week 5. Here is the right hand at the beginning of week 5. Also have a little bit of damage on them, so I'm hoping perhaps at the end of this week we'll have marked improvement. It's Thursday morning, week 5 of the NailTek, and I'm a little disappointed that my nails are still breaking off. I didn't do anything yesterday except computer work and meetings, and this one broke off really badly last night right before I went to sleep. So you can still see the peeling. It's still pretty deep. The splitting. So I don't know. This is like 4.5 weeks in. I've got to paint them today, so when I get in the car, put another coat of this on, let it dry for a little bit, and then put a coat of fingernail polish on. I've got a pretty long day today. It's Saturday afternoon, week 5, using the NailTek. I had a coat of the NailTek on, and then put a coat of the Sally Hansen gel on Thursday, about midday. Just did some light clerical type stuff Thursday and Friday. I haven't done much on Saturday except for household chores. It's not flaking off as much as it used to, so I'm taking that as a sign of progress. I'm about to put a thin coat of the NailTek on top and let it dry because I've got to go to yard work. I will wear gloves, but they're looking better with the polish on them than they were before. Yay. Well, not too bad after almost 5 hours of yard work. I did wear thin gloves. Also, when I put this on as a top coat, it got some of the polish at the bottom of it. I have that problem when using clear top coats. Into week 5, I do think they're looking better. A little bit of chippage there from today's activities. I did work in the yard today, picking up limbs, doing a little bit of shoveling, did some housework, and then that one chipped off. That was the worst damage. I think I'm slowly seeing some improvement. We'll take this off. End of week 5 for the NailTek. This is actually Monday at the end of week 5. I just took the week 5 polish off, and I'm not sure I'm seeing a dramatic improvement. I'm going to probably stop the weekly updates, continue to use the NailTek, see if the condition of my nails improve. Then I'll report back on how many weeks it actually took to have some progress. Thanks for keeping up with this experiment. Check back. Thanks for watching my video about week 5 of the experiment with the NailTek Level 4. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment, share this video if appropriate, and until next time, I hope you come back and watch my nails grow. It's like watching paint dry, literally, isn't it? Bye.